Ba da ba 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 da da. Ba da ba 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 da. Ba da, Mr. Agents on them. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm under da 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 da. Since you know you can't do music things royalty free, you gotta get your own music in. I'm about to do an unboxing. I am Agent MBEY, and I got some materials in today. So I'm about to unbox it and see what we get out of it. I mean, I know what's in it, but you know, it's for us. So, you know, I see these type of videos that my nieces be watching, and well, you know, they seem really popular, so why not? So this is where we at. Ooh, got more of these because this is the first time that I've shopped at Blick.com. So, you know, these are Earth aware, so, you know, shout out to these. I will tell a funny story. Let's see. Alright, cool. I ain't tripping. I ordered these materials because there was a deal online on the website, and when I went to go order it, I didn't see the deal. So then I like went to go try to find where I saw the deal in the first place. I couldn't find it, so then I just went on and ordered it, and then I found the deal again. And so then I tried to go back and cancel the order so that I could do the order properly. And I might have even also ordered this same thing twice. Luckily, it looks like I only got it once, so they won't take the money out of my account. But it looked like it did come out of my account, so I might be getting another package in tomorrow of the same thing. And they were like, yo, since it's already been packed and shipped, you know, you can call to cancel it, or you can ship it back. But like, I need the material, so it don't matter. I would have spent more money if I got the deal, but I would have had more product. But you know, it is what it is. I got what I got. So first, I got this vanilla package, and there should be. Man, I wasn't expecting to do this. I was wondering how it was gonna be packaged in here too. So no, I really just thought it'd be like thrown in there for some reason, because whatever you can fit in there, I wouldn't care. But I guess, you know, presentation is important. I use big blick for enough, so wrapped in some plastic. All this for a tiny little needle. I don't know if this is what I thought so like usually this is, so I thought I ordered this. Let me check this paperwork. I don't know what I was looking at, man. And no items returned. So boom, we got a carbide point scribe steel handle. Yeah, this is it. I thought I was getting the one that was like had like the two needle ends and it was twisty at both sides, but no, this is the $10 one. So that's what I got. The way the picture was showing, it was showing like it was gonna be something else. But either way, like, this is cool. This is actually better. This allows me to work from here. I'm gonna be doing some etching on plexiglass soon, so I wanted to get this tool. One, so that my students would, so I have an example for my students, and because I'll need to use this on my own work. Because when I created the work initially, I used somebody else's. So, boom, I got my carbide point scribe steel handle. Just to do fine through plexiglass for etching, so I'm not stressed about that. Cool, got it. What I really was here for is, you know, for this project here, what I ordered this all for. Boom! I got another tub of gel medium. So I used, this is the one that's, you know, almost out, but I didn't think that what I have in here was going to be enough to finish this project. And so now I have my Blick Artist Acrylic Gel Medium, or Gloss Medium, get it right. So one is going to be a glossy finish. You can't see it, but it's going to have a very glossy finish. So highly, let's say highly reflective, but yeah, just super glossy, shiny. Light will hit it, and you'll get some interesting effects depending on how the light hits it and how you use it. But in that regard, you know, this as opposed to matte, right? So got my gloss medium, and so I could just go ahead and do it. That involves a bunch of moving things out of the way. Hell yeah, why not? I got the time. So we'll put you down. We'll get you pushing. I'm on the side. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. If you hear a beeping sound go off, it's because I set my phone to alarm me when a certain time comes. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's come back a little further. Maybe I'll zoom into there. Cool. All right, so on to the next part. Just remember something else I need to do, which is paint the bottom of this 4-foot black plastic canvas. That's down. Time to bring in the big guns. This way, yeah. Alright, still hold it together. Hit you, wow. Shapes, really. Wow. That's crazy, wow. That's speak his name. Wale's album. That's crazy, wow. It's cool though. This gives me, I wanted this kind of interplay. So what I'm encountering is size difference between the stencil and the shape, original shape that was painted on here. But it's totally fine because the stencil is larger. So I'm just trying to find where I want it to land before I start applying my material. I feel like I need to do something to give me some pressure back on the bottom of this because it's going to be weighted. It's going to be super weighty. I think I will. I'm trying to put this up under here. That just means it's going to be a challenge to pick it back up because I'll have to go underneath that. Because I might not be able to move this for a while. But it's fine. Let's slip this in behind these bars. Just so it doesn't sag as much as it could. Put something else, one more layer. I'll leave it. I'll be happy. Oh wow, that was really going to be off. Yeah, I have to do that. And part of me wanted to have this be a little bit out of scale or whatever, so that it'll give a more interesting juxtaposition. That's just a art word, key art word to use. Alright, time to open up stuff. And I got cool. Shut up. Woo! Dangerous. Yeah, that was stuck in my head too. It's a jammer though. It was a cheat code to like sample and semi-cover songs. It's already a jam. Just like any art world, really. You spend a bunch of time trying to be original, wanting to be original, but more interesting work, or you can argue that the more interesting work is the artwork that relates to something of the past, something that what is it called? You know, in rap it would be called biting, but in every other field it's called being undecided. Oh God, I can't figure it out. Oh, maybe I should use the old stuff first. That doesn't matter. appropriating. There we go. Figured it out. It'd be called appropriation. So I should strip down some so I wouldn't leave this mess all over me, but I think I'll be fine. All right. So previously I used a ruler of a certain size to do this part. And I'm going to do the same thing. I know what I said, but we just don't want this to cause any issues, so I'll wait. Let's make the heavy. Oh yeah, I can put this maybe on the next side. Yeesh. Got enough room? Nope. So maybe I'll just have to go here, or maybe more up there. Oh, now it's gonna put pressure on the canvas. So let's go with this. This won't do anything. Alright, that's fine.